If you're a chocolate lover, you might want to save this recipe because this isn't just any chocolate cake. This is the kind of cake that's rich, deeply chocolatey, incredibly moist, and absolutely worth every bite. I've always believed that a really good chocolate cake shouldn't be dry or overly sweet. It should have a soft, tender crumb with layers of chocolate flavors that keep you coming back for just one more slice. That's exactly what this cake delivers. One of the things I love the most about baking is watching simple pantry ingredients come together to create something that feels so special. There's something almost magical about it. A little flour, cocoa powder, eggs, and a handful of everyday ingredients slowly transform into a beautiful dessert that can make any day feel like a celebration. And then there's the smell. If you've ever baked a chocolate cake at home, you know exactly what I mean. As it bakes, the aroma fills every corner of the house, and suddenly everyone starts wandering into the kitchen asking the same question: how much longer? That's usually how you know you've made something good. I also love desserts that don't need a special occasion. Yes, this cake would be perfect for birthdays and holidays, but honestly, sometimes Tuesday deserves chocolate too. Life gives us enough reasons to celebrate the big moments. I think we should celebrate the small ones as well. Whether you're baking this for family, sharing it with friends, or keeping a slice all to yourself with a cup of coffee after dinner, I hope this recipe brings you a little extra joy to your kitchen. And if you're wondering whether it's really worth the name Death by Chocolate, I'll let you be the judge. If you enjoy a recipe like this, from comforting dinners to homemade desserts and everything in between, I would love for you to subscribe to our channel. Every week, we share recipes that are approachable, flavorful, and made to bring people together around the table. Thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen. Cheers.